channel. In last session, we've uh, discussed about the what are the coupon test types of coupons used for the coupon test purpose and its application, installation guidelines, and uh, which when to select which type of coupon. Okay, and in this session we will look for the actual calculation of rate of corrosion uh, using Excel. So first we'll calculation calculation of rate of corrosion with coupon test. Coupon test. Okay. So to calculate this, we need some data which I have uh, done. Okay. To calculate this, we have to proceed first. We have to select the basis. What is the basis? First basis for this is the 2 CO corrosion allowance for the equipment. It's considered for equipment. Okay, in while designing, we have considered 2 of corrosion allowance for the equipments. Then also life of life of equipment is considered of 20 years. Okay, we need these are the some basic assumptions for the calculation purpose. Okay, then the next is total 365 days as number of days in a year. These are the our assumptions basis for the calculation of the rate of corrosion. Okay, so now we will proceed with the actual corrosion rate calculation. First, mills, which we have discussed in last lecture, that is 0.254 Okay, so now we have to put the whatever the data required for the calculations here. Total number of days in year, which is 365 days. Then we have to select the coupon. We have selected strip. Okay, so coupon strip dimensions. Okay, flat coupon we have considered length length of coupon, width of coupon, and height of coupon, as we have selected flat strip. Okay, so we have assumed based on one of the experience is 0.3, then length is 8.6 centimeter, and height is 2 centimeter. Okay, so now I have selected material of coupon for test is SS316L. Temperature of process while coupon test. Okay, the coupon test is performed for the 125 degrees Celsius for one of the corrosive material. Then time taken for the coupon test in process vessel, because we have placed the coupon for 10 days in the process area. Then we have to calculate time of coupon test done. Okay, time of coupon test done in years. How many years? So that is 365 divide 10 by 365, so that much of years. Okay, then we need some data. Initial weight of coupon and final weight of coupon, which is done later on. Difference difference in weight of coupon. Okay, so initial weight, which we have to consider prior to charge the installed into the process area, so that is in grams, so we have to take the difference. So we will get the how much material loss due to corrosion within a span of 10 days. So as uh, this is the 0.0619 gram of loss, percentage weight loss of strip of coupon. Okay, so percentage weight loss is the directly weight loss divided by the initial weight, so that we can got the percentage weight loss, that is in 150%. Then we have selected the material, so density of material is as for the standards available for SS material. I have taken the density in kg per meter cube. Then we have to calculate the surface area of strip. Okay, so these are the details required to calculate the whatever the corrosion rate happens. 6 into 3 plus 0.3 into 2 plus 486 into 2. Okay, total into 2. So that's in centimeter square. So we have to convert this into meter square. So that much is the meter square area, surface area of the strip. Okay, so now we have all the data. So based on that, we can calculate loss of thickness due to corrosion. So we can calculate that simply by dividing the weight loss, which is our 0.619, divided by the density of material divided by the surface area, which is we have calculated here. That is the actual calculated thickness loss. Okay, so we have to calculate the loss of thickness per year. Okay, in per year. So we have to calculate this by the loss of thickness divided by how much time we have done perform the test. So we will get the actual thickness per year. That means ki our thickness loss is 0.7061 per year. Okay, so we have to finally calculate as per the loss in mile. So that is calculated loss in per year divided by the miles. So that we got the loss in miles per year. That is the miles per year. Okay. So our calculated loss of thickness in per year. So there is some acceptance criteria, which is the when the corrosion rate is less than zero point 0.1 per year. In that condition, accept our material selection is acceptable, and when the rate of corrosion is less than or greater than or equals to zero point 0.1 point sorry zero point 0.1, and here is also zero point 0.1. Okay, for years that is not acceptable. Okay, these are the standards which we have to consider while selecting the any of the equipment for the coupon test. So I just simply show you the samples which we have considered for the coupon test purpose, that are okay. So you can simply see here the results. Okay, so this is the simple before the sample which used before the test for before, and this is the actual status of the sample after the coupon test, or that is 10 days in a trial. Okay, so you can calculate in this way where simply the how much is the uh, thickness loss, or you can check the material compatibility using this. So so using this equation you can calculate for the whatever the process parameters or process available with you, whatever the type of coupons. So hope you got the clarity about how to calculate the loss of thickness using the coupon test, and the conclusion whether to proceed with that type of material of construction for the equipments, reactors, whatever the vessels or anything which you are going to design. Okay, so thank you for now. If you have any query, please drop me a message in a comment section so that I can get back to you. Thank you for now. Bye bye.